Hi, I'm Ryan Burton, Design Estimator at CSI, and welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the production of hand sanitizer increased dramatically. One processor reached out to me, searching for a way to reclaim hand sanitizer that goes to waste when it drains out of their bottling system during shutdown. I designed an assembly line drain catcher that will be installed on a conveyor to collect the excess product. The notch on the tube is designed specifically for the process drain nozzle to ensure no product will be lost in the future. Now the processor can maximize their product yield, and valuable hand sanitizer will not go to waste. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 and ask for Ryan, or visit csidesigns.com.